We're here at the creek right now. I'm trying to catch a couple spotted bass. See if we can't get one or two on the hook. Oh, got one. Got one. Yes, sir. Oh, he's a fat one, too. Look at him. He's a chubby one. Yes, sir. Right in the top of the gullet. Yes, sir. Using that drag and drop by Googan. A nice one. Look how fat he is. He's got a belly. Yes, sir. We're gonna let him go. Give him a little release. He's good to go. Well, let's go. Let's catch some more, folks. GoPro, stop recording. See if we can't pull another one out of here. This little hole right here. Oh, I see one over there. Oh, he don't want nothing to do with it either. Oh, I got one. I got one. Ooh, this one's got some size to him. Let's go. Let's go. It's a decent one for this creek. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm glad I was recording for that. Nice one. Oh, yes. Dirt. Look how fat he is, too. These bass have been eating good out here. They got him hooked right in the tongue. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. Get him back real quick, because sometimes they start bleeding when you hook them in the tongue. Yes, sir. Let's get back in there. GoPro, stop recording. Let's see if we can't pull another one out of here. I'm telling you, I love being out in nature, especially out in this creek. This creek's so beautiful. It's so calm. Oh, got a hold of one. There he is. He's a small one. Oh, I tore my drag and drop up. I guess it could be a Ned rig now. Let this guy go back. See if we can't get another one. It's a good day when they're biting like this, let me tell you. All right. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, we're gonna catch one right here. I feel it. What'd I say? What'd I say? Look at that, folks. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, that's a nice one. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. There we go. Oh, yeah. A fat spot. That's how we do it. Barely hooked, too. Look at that. Check that out. GoPro, stop recording.